While we're out on our ride today, we might see some planty life, some water birdies, and let me tell you why this is a great scooter. Hey guys, today we're looking at the Cyberbot MINI electric scooter. So as you can see, it's a foldable scooter and it secures in place really simply. And like with most of the scooters I've reviewed on my channel, this is dual drive. It has a motor at the rear and at the front. Both of these motors are rated at 500 watts. So you have 1,000 watts of power, and this is actually quite a good amount of power, guys. It goes quite well. All right, first ride on the Cyberbot MINI, let's go. This is awesome, guys. Awesome! Awesome! There is literally no handlebar wobble on this thing. It's really surprising. There's no movement or rock or anything. It's a solid bit of kit, that. And as for the battery technology, it's a 48 volt lithium ion pack with 19 amp hours of storage. This will cover roughly 20 miles of range, but again, that is always based on the rider, the condition, the speed you're travelling at, etc. The list goes on! On the handlebars, there is an LCD display with the trigger for acceleration. It shows you the speed you're travelling at, the speed mode you're in, the distance you've covered, and the battery level as well. The scooter itself weighs 29 kilograms and it can take a maximum load of 150 kilograms. While we're out on our ride today, we might see some planty life, some water birdies, and let me tell you why this is a great scooter. The price, the brakes, the power, the suspension, the cost, and it can get up this hill here. Here we go. Oh, easy, easy. This scooter will set you back $1,099 or £780 here in the UK. It has front and rear lighting, front and rear disc brakes, and best of all, front and rear suspension. Now, I can't turn around and say to you guys that that is the best scooter I've ever ridden, but it is damn good. The suspension, the brakes, the acceleration, and the tyre grip really surprises me. It took my loneliness away. I'm not again. You know, hey, it's fast, isn't it? Woo! You took my loneliness away. I'm not again. And it is time for some mad skids. Comes with a manual, a tyre inflator, a multi-tool, and the charger. And this will charge in roughly 8 hours. This thing rides so smooth. So far I've covered about 6 miles and we've still got 3/4 battery left, which makes it about accurate for 20 miles of range. I've been going quite steady, but I tell you what, it's got some power, guys. And if you want a scooter that's not stupidly fast and not a bit underpowered, this is the middle ground. It took my loneliness away. I'm not again. Fantastic. No, hey, I'm not again. It took my loneliness away. I'm not again. Here we go. Duck and dive, miss the poles. Whoa! Here we go. Woo! speed riding. Oh, I can't recommend it. It's a bit sketchy. You can go exploring. You can find new places and have fun while doing it. Woohoo! Hello. We've managed to get this thing nice and dusty. It's all broken in now. And what a scooter this is to ride. I'm going to call it a day there on this review for the Cyberbot MINI. And what can I say about it? Well, as you've heard in the video, I need to give my opinion on whether this is worth buying. And for the money, I think it is. I don't think you can go wrong with it. The mileage is crazy. I've got 14 miles out of this with 50% battery left. As I've already mentioned, the grip, the control, the comfort, the power, it's all there, guys. This is not a bad scooter for the money at all. Thank you iCyberbot.com for sending me this awesome electric scooter for review and testing today. If you guys find yourself interested in one of these awesome scooters, take a look in the description box. I'll put a link to the website and their eBay page as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!